Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, all of you dear students, I'm going to show you one very useful program in Python by using pandas. You can just remove all duplicate records from the any CSV type of file. Generally, it comes under data cleaning concepts, and with a few lines of code you can just remove all the duplicate records. So what is all program about? So just stick with me and just try to execute this program. Just you need to create Excel file first, or otherwise you can just download from the any website. There are so many CSV type of files, but make sure you have to define each and everything, from where you have to remove and which column and all those things you have to consider. Then you can exactly get the correct output and all. Now let me just execute this one and I'll show you how you can get the proper file if you remove all the duplicate records. So what that's all about the program. Now here is my email ID, which I'm just going to show you is here. M.A.Basith60@gmail.com. That's my email ID. Now just proceed with the programming part. This is the second slide in which I'm just going to show you the program, which is here is the program, which is so simple. Just what is required is you need to just install the pandas, and before installing that you make sure you know how to use the pip command. With the help of pip command you can just install it, and after that you define this is the path where I have saved my file which I've created few records in the Excel, and while saving you just use in the format of .csv. All of you know that, you all know that what that means, that CSV, that is comma separated file. With the help of that you can just able to extract whatever the fields, whatever the columns you require. That's what is all about the program. And then here this the main command is here, guys. You just remove this drop duplicate is the one from which the file has been created, which is here is the s.m.sv, right? So I'll just show you on the next slide, which is the file and what is the column name and all. So it will remove that one, and what the most important part is there. Suppose you have 5, 6 records or whatever it may be, if it is duplicate, but you want to save the first record, whatever it may be, you just define it here. So keep first means from at the first instant, whatever the record comes first, that it will save. Otherwise you can use last also. You can just make use of it. It's your child. And here what will happen, you define this path in place is true. Wherever is there, it will just create the record, and according to that record number it will be there. And the variable which I have defined here is a data, in that the file will be stored. The record after the duplicate record had been clean up, and then it will just save in this. And then just I'm just making use to create one more file, which is the name as staff file 1, which is the clean data. That's what is all about the program. So please stick with me until I finish this program, and you can see it. I'll just execute and show you also on the screen. And just this is the file, guys. Here you can see here, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 columns I have just created, and the first name and gender. This make sure what I have defined here, first name in the program, now that should be same, so that you can compare. And just comparing here the first name, which whatever the name is duplicated here, here's this, you can see that 2 records which I have repeated intentionally, like Ahmed here first, which is at the row number 2, and the last one 15, as well as here 5. So, and another one is Asad, which is at row number 4 as well as 12. You can see that one, but after execution of the program the output will be like that, guys. You can see that only 12 records are there. So, and you see that the name is no name is repeated again. So all out this is all about today's program. And now just wind it up, just but before that I'm execute my program and show you on the screen also. And just let me execute this program. Here it's my program, which is here, right? See, you can see here. And let me just one let's execute this one and we'll show you this one. It's active, right? Yeah, F5 I am using this one, and you see this one, the output. What will happen is actually it is created on the desktop itself, and what is the file name? You can see here is the desktop file.cs. You can just type it here, desktop file one.cs. You see, you can get it here. So it is on the desktop itself. You can see that one is the file. It's opening and showing that one. This one, see this one, Ahmad Adil Asad. So 12 record. That's all about today's program. Let me just close this one and proceed the another one. Thank you so much for watching, and just if you have any queries or any doubt, let me know. And just practice. Only practicing is the solution, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys.